So this is the Roomba, and this is usually where it's parked. But does it know?
Error 1.
Does it know how to get home? So home is over there, beyond those chairs. Let's see if it knows how to go home. I just pressed dock, and it's supposed to find the docking station. So I use this Roomba on this carpet about once a week. And I've had this Roomba for at least a couple of years. And it's still on its original battery. And it lasts can run for about an hour each time. So now it's near the docking station, and it's thinking, moving away. Docking station is here. Will it know how to get back home? It seems to wander aimlessly, but it seems to be coming home. Okay, it's home to the charging station, and it's charging. Wow.